So, yeah, I'll tell you why are we here. We are here to talk to you. We are not here to study. We're not here to do some assignments, projects. No, we are here just to talk to each other, just to talk to each other, just to share our dreams. Everybody dreams. Like सबको कुछ ना कुछ बनना होता है ना, सबके मन में अभी. Now that you are in fourth standard, five standard, sixth standard, so I'm sure you must be thinking कि मुझे जिंदगी में क्या बनना है. I'm sure that dream must have started. Anybody who has started dreaming like हम बड़े होके ये बनेंगे. Has anyone started dreaming?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's great. So this is what we are here. We are just to discuss, just to share. Like I'll share my dreams with you. You will share your dreams with me. Like we can just have a chit chat, little talk, little love. Little gratitude. This is all we are here for. So we are not here. We will not give you any homework. We will not give you any lessons, projects, nothing. We'll just talk to each other. Like, what do I want to become when I want to grow up? So, this is why we are here. So now you must be thinking, see, I can see some expressions on some children's faces. They're doing this, they're thinking this. You know why? Because now they're thinking, what do I want to do in life? Acha, do you think that it is too early to think that what will I become on growing up? आपको लगता है ये थोड़ा जल्दी सोच रहे हैं हम?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody said yes
Ma'am.
also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes.
let me tell you, we are not thinking early. हम बिल्कुल right age पे हैं जहाँ पे हम ये सोचेंगे कि अब से हम सोचना शुरू करेंगे कि अब हमको बड़े होके बनना क्या है. So we are not very young. We are not child now. Fourth standard, fifth standard, sixth standard is the time when we should start thinking कि हमको बड़े होके क्या बनना है. So when I was of your age, like I was of as I told you that I'm a social worker, I write. So when did I start thinking in my life कि मुझे बड़े होके क्या बनना है? When did I start thinking?
When you were small.
Very small, 8-year-old, 9-year-old. I was of that age when I started planning for myself. So I saw that my teachers used to like your teachers tell you stories and poetries in the class. So my teacher also used to tell me very beautiful stories and very beautiful poetries. So I was very inclined to these stories. I loved to read these poetries. So I used to take up the books from my elder classes, and I used to read out all the poetries and all this. So I was very interested, like how to write, how do these people write. So it was then in fourth standard when I created my first poetry, and then I showed it to my teacher, and then my teacher was so happy, so happy. She gave me a chance. She said ki Sonu, now you must speak it in front of everyone. So I was very scared to go and speak my poetry on the stage. So now, after lots of courage, because I was a very shy kid, I did not I have much friends, I was not very social. So I went on the stage, and then told them, when I recited my poetry to everyone, I received such nice response from people that it's a nice poetry. So I felt so good. Then I started writing. So then my teacher told me, Sonu, you should keep writing, you can become a writer. So this is what my teachers told me. I didn't know that one can become a writer at that time, one can become a poet at that time. I didn't know that. But my teachers told me that Sony, you can please keep writing, you can be a writer. So that gave me a confidence. In the fourth standard, that I can be a poet, I can be a writer. So then I started dreaming. So about what do I want to become in life, I started dreaming at age of 8 year and 9 years. Okay, so this is the perfect age when you should, think about what do you want to become. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So then, the next thing which I loved most in life was to help out people, you know. So I asked somebody who is a social worker. So one of the work which I do is social work, you know. So social work is, what is social work? Social work is helping. It's made from the word social work. So social means society. So society means everyone around us. So that's what I loved to do the most. I wanted to help people. So now I was just helping out very casually in my childhood till I grew up. And then I took it up as a profession. I took it up as a job. So, there are jobs where you are asked, where you are paid to help out people, where you go out and reach to so many people who do not have so many things as you have in life. So then I chose to work as a social worker also. So these are the two things I do majorly. Okay. So do you think, now tell me, that kids can be social workers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
How
ma'am.
can
Yes, ma'am.
tell me one
Yes, ma'am.
Kevin, you tell me how you can be a social worker at childhood.
We can help others like or people who are needy. We can give our old clothes to the people who need them.
Oh, that's great. Prachi, any ideas?
We can help others who are paralyzed or who need help of us, and we can help those.
Yes. So, so let me tell you, you do not become a social worker, writer when you grow up. You can start becoming a social worker right from this age. Like when you are 8 year old, 9 year old. This work can start right from this age, this very age. I will show you some examples. I will show you some examples, how we can start. Okay, tell me now one question I have from I'll ask five people to tell me what is their aim, what is their dream in life. So we can have five kids who can tell me what do they want to become when they grow up. So who all five will tell me what do they want to become when they grow up?
I want to become. May I become Air Force pilot.
Excuse ma'am, may I say something with Sonu, with your permission? Sonu ma'am, may I say
Yes,
something?
ma'am.
Let them raise their hands like they do it in the class and you choose. So, different children can participate. So they
That's
do
great.
a screen hand and then you choose, okay, you answer. Otherwise, they'll all tend to speak together.
Yes, yes. So Raghav Priya will tell me what he wants to become in life.
And when I grow up, I want to become a automobile engineer. And if I get wealthy and I get power, I will make some hotels and houses for the needy and poor people. And just for so they do not, so their kids do not end up like living in.
Okay, great. Ankit Sharma, what do you want to become? You were raising your hand.
Ma'am, engineer.
Oh, you also want to become an engineer.
Ma'am, I want.
And who else? Yeah, Dimple. No, Monishka. Monishka wants to say something.
Yes, ma'am, I need to become a politician and a social worker for the people, and then I got a power. Then I can help the people who are getting in their life some difficulties.
Oh, wow. Then you belong to my category. Wow, very nice to meet you. I also wanted to become a politician when I was a kid. That's nice. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Kiara. Kiara.
ma'am,
Yes.
I want to become an Air Force pilot.
Oh, wow. Air Force pilot. That's
Yes,
great.
ma'am. I
Great.
want to save India from
Hmm.
Corona too.
By going into Air Force?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The
So
Corona
for
came
that,
from China.
you need to be very strong for that, physically, mentally. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Just as my grandfather.
Oh, your grandfather is a pilot?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, yes, he was
Oh,
a pilot, but he left me.
okay. Okay, no issues. But great to know. Anybody else who wants to tell who they wants to become? Gurbaksh Singh, you want to say
Yes.
something?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to make. I want. And,
I want.
I
Ma'am,
Okay.
want.
I want. I'm Yokanshi. I want to say something.
Yes,
Ma'am,
you
I
can.
want to make mechanic. I want to
Okay,
make
you can.
mechanic.
Are you saying you become
Ma'am,
fine.
mechanic.
Okay, mechanic. Great.
Ma'am, I want to say something. I'm Yokanshi.
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, I want to be a scientist, a
Oh, for
space
that,
scientist.
oh, you will have to study a lot then. You will have to study a lot. You'll have to do your graduation, post graduation. Then you will have to do lot many studies to do PhD. Then you can become a scientist. So are you ready to study that much?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. That's great.
Ma'am, I also want to say something.
Hmm. Uh, so kids, what we will do an exercise later on where we will ask you all, what do you all do with, so let me share some things with you now that you have told me that what do you all want to become. So since like you've seen engineers, doctors, scientists, little scientists here, so I want to share some professions also with you, you know. So I want to show you some examples here. You know, as I told you that it is a perfect age to dream what you want to become. You know, what happens in dreaming, you know, it might happen till the time you grow up till 12th standard. Dreams might change. So don't worry. Today you want to become a doctor. So few years later, you might want to become a scientist. Then you might want to become a dancer also someday. So as you will grow up, you will meet more and more people. Like today, you're meeting me, and if I will talk, I'll tell you some things about my profession. So then you will think, oh, that's a nice option. We can try that also, right? So everybody, is everybody mute?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
dream?
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So your dreams will keep changing. So as you will meet more and more people, like your teachers, you know, they keep calling different people to talk to you guys. So you will also get to know more people. There are more professions. There are more ideas that you can become in life. So similarly, today I am also here to talk about two professions. One is writing and one is social work. So I want to tell you that it is very important to dream early in life, as I was saying. You know why? Anybody who becomes great in life, they start dreaming very early on. You know, they start dreaming from you know. I want to give you an example of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin Tendulkar wanted to become a cricketer. So he started playing at 11 years. When he was 11-year-old, he started playing cricket. So that must be in around fifth or sixth standard, right? So he started preparing for his career at 11-year-old. Then we have you heard about Vishwanathan Anand? Vishwanathan Anand plays chess for India. He's the grandmaster. So here's
he is
one
blind.
person who is no, no. Chess. Vishwanathan Anand plays chess for India, and he's a grandmaster. He's brought laurels for India. So in the world, you can say that he's the best chess player, Vishwanathan Anand. So when did he start playing chess in life? With his mother? When he was 6 years old. When he was 6 years old, he started playing chess. And Sachin Tendulkar, when he wanted to become a cricketer, he started practicing from 11 years old. So this was exactly the same age when people start dreaming that this is what I want to become in life. So this is why it is important that we can start dreaming now. Okay. Now I want to tell you, like, as I told you that I write a lot. I loved writing. So, so you must be thinking that writing happens when I will grow up, then I'll become an author, then I will become a writer. So it doesn't happen like this. You can start writing even now. I want to give you an example of Ayan Gogoi. Have you heard about Ayan Gogoi?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I want to tell you that India has one youngest author in the world, Ayan Gogoi. So Ayan Gogoi is just 4 years old, and he is the youngest author of India. 4-year-old boy. You want to see the picture? Let me just try sharing my
Ma'am, he is the son of Jitu Gogoi.
No, is Elizabeth, ma'am, if you can help me sharing the PPTs, I have requested you for sharing my PPT.
Ma'am,
So
he
okay,
is the son of Jitu Gogoi. Ma'am, Ayan
so
Gogoi is
Ayan
the
Gogoi
son
is
of Jitu Gogoi.
basically a 4-year-old boy, and he has written a book. The name of the book is Honeycomb. What is the name of the book? Honeycomb.
Ma'am,
So you know what?
honeycomb.
Honeycomb. Yes, he's written a 80 pages book, okay, in which he has written 35 little stories, anything which, like, he has a talk with his grandfather. So he written that story in that. So what happens is that he's made a 80-page book at 4 years of age, and he became the youngest author of India. So it is not that you can become a writer only after you'll become 18-year-old or 20-year-old. You can start writing. You can become a writer by making small stories like Ayan Gogoi, and then you can compile them into the book. Okay, so that's about Ayan Gogoi, the youngest author of India. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
he is the son of Jitu Gogoi.
okay, that's nice to know.
Rachi and everybody, just a minute. Please don't speak in between unless you are asked to. Okay, then the flow breaks. Ma'am Elizabeth, you've been able to do screen share? Ma'am Elizabeth.
I think no issues. We can just talk.
You
Just in
talk, I'll
case.
call her.
Okay, no issues, ma'am. So now the next example I want to tell you. So now when you can start dreaming early. So the next example I want to give you is social work. So social worker, you think that we can do it only at the age when we grow up. We cannot do anything. No, it's, as somebody has told me, that helping out poor people and all that. So, you know, India has one more, a 12-year-old boy whose name is Gaurav Pandey, and he is the youngest social worker of India, and he has his own social work school. You know, he helps out people. You know, he's a human right professional. Just a second. So hi. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. You are audible.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Okay, that's so everybody mute yourself. So yeah, so I was giving you the example of Gaurav Pandey. So Gaurav Pandey has a social work school, you know, where he does all kind of human right activities, you know. So what I am trying to say is that we have young people also who are doing who are making a career at a very young age also. Okay. So let me just see. Oh yes, I can show you the PPTs. I'll show you something. Um, wait.
मीठी
Can you
है
see?
सुबह वाली है सुबह जैसी मुझे उसकी मीठी अच्छी नहीं लग रही नहीं नहीं
Ma'am,
मीठी मीठी नहीं
Deepika ma'am,
आप तो लो हाँ भैया मैं आ रहा हूँ 10-10 रुपए निकाल लो सब
Shefali Chaturvedi, please mute yourself. I think it's Arav. Ma'am
No, ma'am,
Elizabeth.
I am muted.
No, now you are, no, there is another one, Miss Shefali Chaturvedi. Okay, Arav. Ma'am Elizabeth, please take controls.
can everybody see the screen? Deepika
Yes,
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. We can see the screens.
Yes, ma'am. You can see the screen.
So this is what I was
Yes, ma'am. We
talking,
can
that
see.
let's start dreaming. So this is Sachin Tendulkar, as we know, and those who do not know Vishwanathan Anand, he's the grandmaster. So I was talking about him, that he started playing chess at 6 years old. Then
Miss
this
Sonu?
is, yes ma'am.
Excuse me, Miss Sonu, we can only see your index. We are not able to see any pictures. Only the index CSKM talk. That's it.
Is
If
it?
you've gone on to pictures, the PPT is not running.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you
Just a minute.
photos?
Just a minute, Kiara, please wait. Nobody talks without being asked to. जब आपका नाम लेंगे तभी आप बात करेंगे. Miss Sonu, we could see the index. It was highlighted on CSKM talk. I think now it will start. Yes.
மியூட்ல இல்ல, நான் மியூட்ல இல்ல. போயிட போகுதுன்னு பயமா இருக்கு.
Can you see it now? Deepika ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. We can see now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Deepika ma'am, can we see
Yes,
Ayan
ma'am.
Gogoi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
yes,
am Google.
yes. I was.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can see. Oh, good boy.
That's great. So he is Ayan Gogoi, and he is Gaurav Pandey, who works with human rights. Okay. And this is what I want to show about myself. How do I work? So now that I've talked about who is a social worker and who is everything that I talked, so I want to show you this. So these are my kids in one of the village in Rajasthan. So what we did was we taught them how to use, everybody is using tabs and laptops these days for the Zoom classes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
here we went,
Yes,
so here we went to a village. It's a village in Rajasthan. So these are the students whom we gave these tabs, and we taught them how to take the online classes. We gave them the course material in them. So we taught them by Zoom classes when there was no corona, in 2 years back, So these are the kids who know how to, because since they do not have schools there, so what we did was we gave them these tablets so that they can assemble at one place and then they can study. So now the next is, these are my kids. They're in Gurgaon. Okay, so they're in free Pathshala. Okay, so here what we do is, you must be aware about the construction labors, those who make houses for us. Do you know who make houses for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
They are
So,
architect.
these people, these labor
Designer.
Labors and
Those who are designing
Okay,
our home
okay.
and laborers who make labors.
Let's mute ourselves. Okay, let me show you. Okay, then we will talk. So what happens is that the labor children, because their parents have to go to different places. There they have to, they don't have schools for these children. We made the classes for these children, and we taught them. Everybody, please mute themselves.
Just a minute. Class teachers to please see. Anisha Bansal, mute yourself. Class teachers to please check that their students are on mute. Thank you. Sorry for that.
So now these labor children, they cannot go to schools, because their parents have to go to different places to construct house for themselves, for other people. So their children are not able to get education. So what do? What we used to do was, we used to gather these children. ये जो जितने भी बच्चे लेबर्स के बच्चे होते थे, हम इनको एक जगह पे बुलाते थे, पेड़ के नीचे या टेंट के नीचे या किसी ओपन पार्क में बुलाते थे, और वहां पे इन सब बच्चों को बैठ के उनको बुक्स देते थे, उनको पढ़ाते थे. ओके, सो हम उनको इस वैन में भी पढ़ाते थे. नाउ दिस इज अ वैन वेर यहाँ पे हमने जो है ना टीवी लगा दिए थे, टैब्स लगा दिए थे, और ये उनका एक बेंच था. तो यहाँ पे वो सारे बच्चे इन बेंचेस पे बैठते थे, और यहाँ पे उनके टैब्स लगे होते थे, और उसका स्पीकर लगा के, और फिर वो बच्चे क्लास अटेंड करते थे. नाउ आई विल शो यू हाउ डज इट हैपन. देखो, नाउ हमने यहाँ पे ये एक एलईडी टीवी लगाया इन बच्चों के लिए, और फिर उस पे हमने अकबर बीरबल की स्टोरी लगाई, और फिर इन बच्चों को यहाँ पे हेडफोन से हमने इनको कनेक्ट कराया, और फिर ये बच्चे वहाँ पे they learned the chapters or lessons which you say. See, I'll show you how does it happen. So this is how these people, these labor children, we help these labor children to study. तो अच्छा, अभी क्या होता है, why I'm showing you this is a little glimpse of how does a social work looks like, So this is how these children, these children, they don't have schools, they don't have classrooms. So see, it is winter, so somebody gave them the clothes, we gave them this van, and this is me, okay, this is me, and these are my kids, and we all are showing them the movies, we're all showing them like your teacher shows you Zoom pay all these classes and everything. So these were my kids. As I told you that I loved my kids a lot. So one day we went to one of this park and we made lots of paintings, and then after the painting we clicked it. So I see everybody, these children, they cannot go to school. So now when we were together and we did this activity, these children are so happy. Look at the smiles these kids have. See, they're looking so happy. So when you go to do social work, so this is what you get, you feel that happiness. So I wanted to show the happiness when you help out the children who do not have something by giving them those things. So ये बच्चों की खुशी के लिए हम different parts में जाके उनको paintings देते थे, colors देते थे. So this way you can also do that, there are lots of places where you can go and help out these people. So as I told you that I'm a mother of one of the skater friend, Atharv. So I used to take Atharv also. He is Atharv Rajput, okay? So whenever I used to go and there was a holiday, I used to take him. So whatever he knew the English language things or drawing or painting. So he became the monitor of the class, so this way I wanted to show you this picture because at this age also you can go to such places where people do not have such things. You can teach them whatever you know better than these children. They have never gone to school, but if Atharv goes to this school, such school, and then he teaches them A, B, C, D, E, F, या फिर how to speak English or how to or different kind of stories he's heard it. So you can become a social worker here also. You can help out the children also. That's also called as social work. Okay, and these are my bigger kids with whom I taught them many other things like this. Okay, so this is all what I do. So let me just stop sharing this now. Do you like it?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can-
Yes,
you
ma'am.
like
We liked
I
it.
love it.
Oh,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
cool. So now I want to tell you, like, how you can do social work. Like I've shown you my example, I've shown you Atharv's example. Now I have few ideas for you how you can do social work at this time. You know how you can do? Shall I give you some ideas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, now
ma'am.
we will mute, everybody will mute, and then I will give you few very lovely ideas which you can do right now. If you love people around you, if you help people. So one idea is, have you seen street dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me.
So you can
Yes,
help,
ma'am.
you can these street dogs nowadays. It's so cold outside. So me and Atharv has done something very little thing outside our home. We made a little dog house over there with cardboards, with a shelter, and we've made a little house for these dogs, and in the night when it is very cold, and all the leftover clothes, you know, we have collected the clothes from around us, and then we made a little cozy house for them. And now 4 to 5 dogs, they come there and they sleep there in the cold night. So this is
Excuse
this.
me, ma'am.
Yes,
I can tell something.
yes, yes. Vidhi, tell me.
In night, my father and me and my younger brother go down ground floor and
Mhm.
gives dogs food every
Wow.
day.
Yes. So that's also a social work, there are people who have made, there is a person, I don't remember his name. He has bought a big land for these dogs, and he has employed lots of cooks there, and he has employed doctors also. He has made this profession only for the street dogs. He Every street dogs, he will find out which dog is hurt, which dog needs care, full land. He's called up all the dogs over there, and he is helping out there. So this is also a profession. Yes, Raghav Priya, you want to say something?
Ma'am, the one which you said about the dog,
What?
ma'am, in our neighborhood there were 6 puppies, and me and my friends and my neighbors made a house for them. They slept in there, ma'am, but it hurts me to tell you that
बच रहा है
some
गरम कर
five of them can live.
So this is one thing you can do. Okay. The next idea is, you must have seen, bird feeding, bird feeding. Have you seen that little sparrow, the brown little sparrow? So,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
It's
that,
found here every day.
I want to tell you something, that this sparrow is extinct now. It is in red zone. So the government has made a letter that this kind of sparrow must be saved. So what you can do is, you can put grains for them, you can put water for them. So this is also one way to, the birds and animals and humans, we all stay together. This is our land, so we have to share the things with them. So birds is one thing where you can help them out. Then I'll tell you one more idea. You must have seen around you, I don't know how many of you have seen, there are some elder people, elder people जिनके बच्चे जो है ना, बड़े बड़े होने के बाद they must have gone to different places to do work, और वो अकेले रह जाते हैं अपने घरों में, अंकल आंटी अकेले रह जाते हैं, बूढ़े अंकल और बूढ़े आंटी होते हैं. So sometimes they feel very alone. So if you see some elder people around you, जो आपको लगता है, पार्क वगैरह में जाते हो, पार्क में बैठते हो, तो वहां देखते हो कि एक अंकल आंटी अकेले बैठे हुए हैं, they're looking at the kids. So what you can do is, you can go and sit with them, you can talk to them, you can hear to their stories. These elder people, they have lots of stories to tell. So when you will sit with them, they'll tell you so many stories that you will not even find them in the books. So they will also become happy, and you will also get knowledge. Okay. So that's one thing you can do. Also, these elder people, they have an issue, they don't know how to use mobile phone. You guys, you know how to use mobile phones, you know how to use WhatsApp, send photos, videos, you also know how to do Zoom call. These elder people, they don't know how to use a phone. So if you see that around you is there an elder person who doesn't know how to do all these things, what you can do is, you can sit with them, you can help them out, that uncle चलो मैं आपको बताता हूँ WhatsApp पे क्या क्या हो सकता है, आप अपने बिल कैसे पे कर सकते हो, आप पेटीएम कैसे कर सकते हो, आप किसी को मतलब सिर्फ कॉल करके, मान लो अगर आपको कोई जरूरत है तो आप अर्बन क्लैप पे कॉल करके आप घर पे कैसे बुला सकते हो, ये वाली ऐप इसके लिए काम होती है. So if you find any such elder couple, elder people who needs your help, you can help out them also. So this is also a social work. You don't need anything for this, you just need to talk to them, you just need to share your ideas. Okay. So the next idea I will tell you is, everybody, आपके घरों में maids आती होंगी, है ना? तो जो मेड्स आती हैं तो वो मेड्स उनको उनको पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता है, उनके बच्चे होते हैं, उनके बच्चों को भी कई बार वो अपने बच्चों को भी लेके आती हैं, उनको पढ़ना नहीं आता है. नाउ दैट यू आर इन सच अ गुड स्कूल, आप CSK में पढ़ते हो, आपको इतनी सारी चीजें आती हैं जो उनके बच्चों को आती भी नहीं है. So how you can become an elder brother or sister or an elder teacher to them. You can, you know, आपकी जो पुरानी बुक्स हो सकती हैं, आप वो बुक्स उनको दे सकते हो, आप उनको बता सकते हो कि देखो ऐसे ऐसे पढ़ते हैं, तो आप उनको भी पढ़ा सकते हो. ठीक है, आप अपनी मेड को भी पढ़ा सकते हो. कई बार हमारी जो मेड्स होती हैं उनको नहीं पता होता है कि कैसे पढ़ते हैं, उनको पढ़ना ही नहीं आता है बिल्कुल, मतलब उनको जीरो, वो किसी क्लास में नहीं गए होते हैं, वो बेचारे आके काम कर रहे होते हैं. So what you can do is you can help them out in teaching them, you know, in their kids also. Okay, so this is one more thing you can do. Then I'm sure you must have heard about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So Swachh,
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
so what you can do is, the best thing you can do is you can keep your clean surroundings very clean. अगर मतलब सब लोग मिलके 2-3 का ग्रुप बना सकते हो आप अपने आसपास में, you know, you can make sure that the things are clean, you know. So this is also one more thing you can do. So this is also comes into helping the society better, making a place good place to live. So this is also, you can do that. This also does not require anything else, you know, you don't need to do anything special for that. You can just take part in cleaning your surroundings. Okay, now I want to tell you one more idea where you can do the social work. आपने अपनी अपनी क्लासेस में कुछ बच्चे ऐसे देखे होंगे, सपोज यू आर गुड इन स्टडीज, और कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होंगे जो आपकी क्लास में जो पढ़ने में थोड़ा सा कमजोर होंगे, जो जिनको समझ में नहीं आता होगा. You know how you can, what you can do is you can pick up one such child कि ये वाला बच्चा है, इसको ये बहुत शर्माता भी है, ये बात भी नहीं कर पाता है, ये टीचर से क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछ पाता है. So how I can help now? मैं उसको अपने साथ बिठा सकता हूँ, मैं उसको सिखा सकता हूँ. So you know, you can pick up one person in the class where you can, इससे आपकी टीचर की भी हेल्प हो जाएगी, जो पढ़ा है आपको भी जल्दी समझ में आ जाएगा, and you can become a very good teacher and a trainer also in life. Okay, so this is also how you can do social work at this stage also. Okay, so these are the 6 things I can suggest you if you want to
के बाद
social work looks like. Okay,
सिद्धार्थ बना लेता हूँ क्या का देख वाइट बटन
Divyansh, please
Let
mute
white
yourself.
share something, can
Yellow
raise the,
button.
somebody wants to share something.
वाइट येलो मटेरियल है ना
Okay, so children, now we will do a little, now this was about social work. Now I want to tell you something about writing. Okay,
May I just interrupt you for a while?
yes
Sonu?
ma'am, yes ma'am.
Yeah. Just wanted to say that taking forward what you have told the children today, we must have children volunteering for different social works. And so, okay, I think you can complete your writing,
No,
you know,
please,
part. And
we
then,
will
yeah,
complete it.
then maybe we could ask them to, you know, tell us what they would like to do and how they want to go about it.
Yes,
Because
so you can
yeah.
choose the ideas, you know, and then you can,
Divyansh Sejwal, please mute yourself. Sorry to interrupt. Divyansh Sejwal. Host can mute. Elizabeth ma'am, please mute.
everybody is muted.
No.
So yes, as principal ma'am is saying that now that I've told you 6 ideas, how you can help out the people around you, your society. One is street dogs, birds, okay. Then the elder people, third one. Then the maids and their children. Then cleanliness, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Then the weaker students in your class who need help. So these are the 6 kind of thing. So what you can do today is, today you can choose one activity out of that, or if any activity you think around is very good, so choose an activity and write to your class teachers that, ma'am, I want to start this. I want to make a dog house today. I've planned to make a dog house, and I will require these things to make a dog house. So I am starting. Make a group of 2-3 people with you, and then do it, and then click pictures of it, and then you submit that thing to your class teachers, or Elizabeth ma'am, then Deepika ma'am, or any teacher around. You submit it to them, and then you show it to us. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
My father had made a dog house.
Okay, ma'am.
I have a pet
Okay.
on my.
Ma'am, we also made a dog house.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
See
it's
what
color pink.
ma'am,
My
children,
father
please
had made a dog house.
A dog has 2 puppies too.
Dog house for.
She always
Okay.
visit them and give them milk.
Dog house and 9 puppies.
Akshat, in my house there is a dog house.
Akshat, can you all listen to
listen
ma'am,
to me.
please? Yes, please
Listen
first
to me.
listen.
Please. Now, see, the basic idea is you have to tell us how you are helping somebody who is in need. All right. A pet dog is in your home. So the pet dog is not in need, because you're anyways taking care of your pet dog. So you have to go outside your home and see who is outside your home, and whether it is a dog, a bird, an old person, a young person, a child, and find out such a person and then suggest how you're going to help them. Okay? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Over to Sonu ma'am. Over to Sonu ma'am. Right.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So now the last thing which I want to talk about is the second thing which I love to do is writing. So, so I know that some people might be finding writing thing very boring. Some must be like, that we don't like to write, we don't like to read. So I want to tell you something, that you don't have to write just to study for the books, I want to tell you a logic behind writing. What happens when you write? I'll tell you. When you pick up a pen, so when you pick up the pen with your index finger and your thumb, and then you start writing on a paper. There are some nerves in the index finger and the thumb that activates the brain. So when you write on the paper, what happens is that thing becomes strong. Your teachers tell you that you write it 2 times. Sometimes the teachers say that as a punishment, write it 3 times, write it 4 times, 5 times. Why do the teachers tell that? Because when you write, what happens is, जो भी आप सोच रहे हो ना, वो दिमाग में पक्का हो जाता है. ठीक है? So writing is very important. Writing, लिखने से आपके दिमाग के cells तेज होते हैं. Your brain works. So you don't have to write just for the books. You have to keep your mind active, So as I told you that I loved writing right from the childhood. So I started writing poetries, I started writing articles, lot many things. So now I want to tell you that there are few things you can do to increase your writing things and to fall in love with writing. See, first thing I'll show you is thank you cards. You know what is a thank you card?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, thank you cards are made for them to thank them.
Yes.
Thank you
So
cards made for them. We need to
feelings
like this.
touch
I
wood
will
for
show you. I will show you a sample. You know, I'll show you a sample. Mm. See, you can make thank you cards. Can you see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a very simple thing, you know. You can choose, like I told you, na, I gave you 6 ideas how you can go out and help out people. So these are few things I will share with you. Whichever you like it, you can pick it up. I will share these things with your teachers. You can take a list from them and you can start working in them. Okay, so this is everybody mute yourself. I'll show you something. Okay, so this is thank you card. Okay. So what do you do in a thank you card is you take a paper, and in fact, right now also you can do it. If you all have a pen and a paper, what you can do is in your school, you can choose a particular teacher or your friend or anybody in the teachers, anything which you think that you've been helped out. So you can take out a paper and a pen or a pencil, and just 4 to 5 lines everybody write that whomever you want to say thank you. For example, I want to say thank you to Deepika ma'am. So I will write here, dear Deepika ma'am, thank you so much for letting me talk to these lovely kids of yours. And my favorite part was talking to these, and I loved talking to these kids. And if I liked somebody's idea, that one of my students said that she wants to become a politician and a social worker. So the best thing I liked about the meeting was that there was a kid who wanted to become a social worker. So I liked it. And thank you so much for making me meet these lovely children from Sonu Rajput. So you can take out your paper, you can put a big thank you word there, and dear, and whomever you want to write. You want to write a letter to your you want to write 4 lines for your principal or Deepika ma'am, Elizabeth ma'am, your class teacher ma'am, your, in fact it can be your school's cleanliness, those everyday staff who cleans the school, who gives you water, who gives you everyday services, anybody in the school whom you want to say thank you, write 4 lines to this paper, and then you can share it on WhatsApp with your teacher. Okay, so here we start the next 5 minutes, where you will be writing a thank you card for little 4 or 5 lines for anybody whom you love in the school. Okay, is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So 5 minutes, 4 lines. Anybody whom you love in the school. Let's start writing now.
Are you all writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good,
ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you have done, you can say, yes, ma'am, over. I'm ready with my card. Card you can't make now, just write lines. You can make the card later. Anyone ready?
It's okay, Elizabeth. Don't hurry them up too much. Let them take their time.
Ma'am, I have done.
So, okay, children, what you can do is, so what you can do is you make these cards for 5 lines for anyone whom you love in the school and whom you think that I should say thank you to that person, and you send it on the WhatsApp to your teacher. Okay. And then we will,
Okay, ma'am.
and then we will compile it, you know, when everybody, all of you will send, no, we will make a board, okay, where everybody's thank you card is, ma'am will collect and put all the thank you cards together. Okay. So the next thing you can do is I'll show you some very interesting things, you know, which you can do, which you can only do by writing. So next is my to-do list. Can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is my to-do list. What you can do is every day in the morning, make such a card, okay, where you can write the works which I have to do. So for example, 4 works you will write today. Apart from, I have to attend the class, I have to play, then I have to go to my music class, my dance class, I have to do my homework, I have to go out and help out someone, I have to write a letter to this, I have to help out my mama, I have to anything which you want to day in a which you think every day in the morning you get up and you make 4 to 5 points which you will be doing in the entire day. Okay, just simple lines you can do, that this is what I'm gonna do in an entire day. Okay, so this is called as to-do list. This you can make a diary, and where every day you can write that today I have to do all these 5 works, and when your work is done, you can put you can make hearts, and you can, you know, you can color these hearts with pink or red, you know, that yes, I've done it. And you know what will happen after this is, suppose you've written 4 works in the morning, that today I have to attend my classes, I have to help out my mama, I have to read a book, I have to go to my sports class. So at the end of the day, what you do is when you will color these, na, that I have, okay, 1 heart, 2 heart, 3 heart, 4 heart. At the end of the day, when you will say that you've colored all the 4 hearts which you have written in the morning, you will feel so happy. You will feel so happy. I can't tell you that I have done 4 things today, and all of them are complete, you know. So this you can do every day morning, you know, to-do list. So that ways, if there is something like, for example, homework है 4 subjects का, ये है 1 2 3 4, आज maths का बच गया है, English का करना है, हिंदी का करना है. So all these things you can put there just in case forget. And you know, you can put it on a board. You can have a board, like I also have a board in my home, which is called as a vision board. You know, you can make a board like this, and you can put little notes there that this is what I have to do. So in the day when you will go, we'll see that this is done, this is done, this is done. You will feel very good at the end of the day. So this is one more thing you can do to you know, when you will have, you'll feel like writing every day. And as I told you, when you write down something, your brain, you know, your brain registers it fast. आपको अगर आप बोल के करोगे ना मुझे 4 काम करने हैं, और अगर आप उसी चीज को लिख के करोगे कि मुझे 4 काम करने हैं, you know, your brain will remind you, your brain will make it more, you know, you will remember it better, that your brain will instruct you like a teacher, you know, you have to do these 4 things. Only if you will write, if you will say it aloud, then you might not remember. But if you will write it like this, then your brain will remind you that this is done. And after you've done all the things, your brain will pat you on your back. He'll say, well done, Kiara, well done, Bhavya, well done, Atharv, you've done it. And you will feel great, you know. So that's the power of writing, you know. When you write down, the things become permanent in your mind. Okay. This is second thing. I'll send it to your teachers and you can start doing it from tomorrow. Okay. Now, there's one more very interesting thing I want to tell you. That is called as gratitude journal, you know. So in the morning, I told you what we can do. We can do when we will get up in the morning, we'll write what do I have to do in the morning. Okay. So now in the daytime you have worked. So in the night time, what you have to do is, every night before you sleep, you write 2 to 3 things or whatever, you know, you start making a diary, you know, where you will write that you will write only the good things in that. Suppose today, what happened, suppose today in my diary, in the night, what I will write is that I had a day in my office. So I loved talking to my friend today. Today I met with CSKM's lovely children and I loved it. Then I met a very lovely person in the evening who taught me something. I loved that also. So in the evening, in the night, every day write 3 things which you feel that has happened very nice to you and that made you happy, you know. So here you can write, I am grateful for, grateful की जगह आप ये भी लिख सकते हो, I am thankful for, या फिर आप ये भी लिख सकते हो, today I am happy because, you know, I'll give you the template and you can write at the end of the day that today I am very happy because number 1, I met this, I did that. So 3 things every day in the night before you will write. And trust me, you will feel so good before sleeping that every day you will feel that today I have to get up and I will again make an awesome day. Okay. So this is for night. So this to-do list was for morning and this is for night. And you can make a diary, you know, you can make a partition of the diary where in the morning you have to do, in the evening you have to do. And then you will feel good by doing this. Okay. Then I have one more great idea for you guys, which you can try. That is pen pals. How many of you have heard about pen pals?
कर ले implement. उन्होंने तो phone नहीं किया मुझे. मैं देखूंगी उनको payment भी मैं ही करूंगी.
Mama, I have.
Okay. So you know who is a pen pal? Pen pal is somebody.
Ma'am, in that, ma'am, we don't know the other buddy, but we write letters to that buddy to talk with.
Wow, I am so happy to meet
him and know about his thing.
So yes. This is exactly what a pen pal is, that you don't know the other person and you can write their name. Say we will write Anshika's name, dear Anshika. Suppose somebody else who knows writing to Anshika, dear Anshika, today I went to my school, and in my school my teachers taught this, and this happened with me, and this, I'm feeling so happy, or I'm not feeling so happy, I'm feeling sad. Why I'm feeling sad, I don't know. You are sharing this thing with that friend, and then you're writing your friend, say Rahul. Okay, so written your friend Rahul. Okay, dear Anshika, this happened with me and I felt happy, I felt sad, this I didn't like it, and all this, and I'm just sharing it to you. Now I'm feeling better. Tell me, how was your day? And I hope you had a good day and enjoy your day. And thank you so much for writing letter to me. Your friend Rahul or Sharmangi or whatever. Okay, so the two people who don't know each other, you can choose somebody from fourth. Suppose you're in fourth standard, you can choose somebody from fifth standard in your class, and you can start writing letters to each other, saying, just sharing the things with each other, what good things that has happened to you. So that is called as pen pal. When we did not have the WhatsApp or these technology, then we always used this pen pal kind of thing. Okay, so this is all it is. And there is this vision board I was talking about. You can, in your home, what you can do is, this is a very simple method. You can take a white chart. Okay, you can stick it on your wall, and whatever you want to become in life, as today we talked lots of things, so you can make a column here. I want to become this. So you want to become an astronaut. Pick up a photo of astronaut from somewhere. You want to become a cricketer, find out a picture of cricketer or an actor, put it here, then make a column here where you can anything which you want to do in life. You want to save money. Okay, today I will not waste money, or I want to travel to this place. I want to or anything which you want to do. Take a white chart, paste it somewhere, and click those, like find out such pictures. You can find out these pictures from your newspapers, from your magazines, from your old books, and paste it them on this whiteboard and look at it every day. I told you in the morning, no, what do we make a to-do list. So while doing the to-do list, the next thing you can do is, this is called as a vision board. Children, we call this as vision board. Okay, so this will help you to, when you paste such pictures, when you write such things on this, your wishes come true very fast. Suppose you want to become something in life, and if you'll just say to yourself, I want to become this in life, so it will not happen that fast. But if you will paste it somewhere, you will put a photo of that, you will write about it, it will happen very fast in your life. So this is called as a vision board. Okay, so today you can do this also at your home. Okay, I will share it with your teachers, and then we can do this. Okay.
Okay, mom.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So we shared how
ma'am.
many things we shared. Okay, I'll tell you. One was, we shared a gratitude journal. Okay, to-do list. First of all, to-do list, a vision board, a gratitude journal. In the night we will write what are the things that made you happy. I was happy for 1 2 3. Okay, 3 things. Then a thank you card. Okay, so these are the 4 things I've shared with you. And then you can also try the pen pal idea, pen pal idea, where you can make a friend. So these are the 4 ideas I've shared you. So you can do this, and you can share it with your teacher, and then the teacher will make a collage of it, beautiful collage of it, and then we will show it, that this is what our children has dreamed of today. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so last thing, as like thank you so much for so much time you've spent with me. Like I'm so grateful to you, children. This is one last thing we have to do for 5 minutes, you know. And this, if you can learn this and you can do it every day, this will help you a lot. Okay. So now, since everybody is muted, I will show you one thing to do, and you will do with me. Okay. This is a 5 minutes activity, and then we will wrap it up. Okay. Are you ready for this? This is a very interesting activity I want to show you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, great.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is called as visualization. You know, visualization?
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am.
Okay, I will tell you.
Ma'am,
You know, imagination? Imagination?
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes you imagine. Do you imagine in life?
Yes,
I wish
ma'am.
I was this, I was this. If I will go there, I will do this. Imagination.
Yes,
So,
Yes, ma'am.
for 5 minutes, we will do imagination. Okay, everybody?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Okay, ma'am.
mute yourself, everyone. And as I will say, do it. Okay. As I will keep guiding you, you keep doing like that. So this will help you. So I am showing you this activity, which you can do anytime which you feel like. You can do it every day also. You can try this also. This will help you in achieving your dreams faster. Okay, it will help you in dreaming. You know, everybody imagines. As I told you, when I was a child, I used to dream that I want to become a writer with big specs, and then with a diary and a pen, and you know, with a laptop, I want to become a writer. So I used to imagine this, you know, and then I used to write down it on a paper, and then it happened very fast. So this is what I will teach you now, how to do it. So now everybody close your eyes. Okay. Everybody close your eyes. Take a deep breath. एक लंबा सा सांस लो अपने अंदर. And then leave it, release it. Okay. Now you have to start imagining. अब आपको imagine करना है. अब आप imagine करो कि आपको लाइफ में क्या बनना है. हमने इतनी सारी चीजें डिस्कस करी. अब आपने, किसी ने मुझे बताया साइंटिस्ट बनना है, डॉक्टर बनना है. अब वो इमेज अपने मन में इमेजिन करो और उसको फील करो कि आप उसको इमेजिन करो कि आप डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हो, तो आप बड़े होके डॉक्टर कैसे लगोगे बन के, और उसके लिए आप क्या करोगे. आप सोचो, आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, आप ड्रेसअप हो रहे हो, ऐसे मैं डॉक्टर बन गई हूं. सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू इमेजिन फॉर 5 minutes. ओके, इमेजिन. Okay, children. Now take another deep breath. एक लंबा सा सांस लो और सांस छोड़ो, जैसे योगा में करते हैं. So how are you feeling now? You can open your eyes. Did you imagine what you wanted to become in life?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Ma'am, I feel very better.
Wow.
And ma'am, I have imagined that also, that what I have to do after this session.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
I
Anything
want
else?
to tell something.
Let's share what all you imagined.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Dimple. I didn't tell you what I have to become. Can I tell?
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I have to become a doctor, that I will help poor people, and
Okay.
social, and an author, and I will uh, write stories for the children.
Wow, that's nice. So this is
Percy ma'am, may I?
mhm.
Ma'am, I am become a pilot, and ma'am, I was controlling a plane.
You felt good dreaming about being a pilot?
Ma'am, I'm planning to be a cricketer.
Oh, wow.
Now I
So
have
this
to
you
tell
have to do
something.
every day. Children, this you have to do every day. If you want to become something, anytime you feel like, sit down, imagine and feel, the more you will imagine, the more you will think about it, the more you will become like that. Anybody who becomes greater, great person in life, he keeps imagining. So every day, write down what do you have to do, visualize it, imagine it, and at the end of the day, tick everything which you have completed, and you feel good while you're sleeping. That yes, I've done this, I've completed this. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I have to tell something.
yes.
When my eyes closed, and I thought that I am a doctor, and I
Mhm.
go a poor village. I made a hospital, and I am treatment free treatment for all,
Oh, that's very
for the
nice.
poor peoples.
Very much needed. So you can do this also. Whatever you have imagined, take a paper and write it down. Okay. Today you can do this exercise also. Whatever you have imagined, you can write it down on a paper, and then you can keep looking at it every day. You can share it with your teachers also. You can share it with your parents also, with anyone whom you wish to share. Okay. So whatever you have imagined, you can share it also. Okay.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
Deepika ma'am, this is all I had to talk in this lovely session. I think the children have been there with me for almost 12:30 to 1.5 hours. And that was something which I really enjoyed.
Miss Sonu, it's been delightful and absolutely fantastic. You have another 10-15 minutes. Do you? Do you have another 10-15
Yes, yes,
minutes?
I have it. I have it, ma'am. From my side,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
if there is anything else which you guys are thinking or something,
I have no words. I'll say at the end. You can't see me. My inverter is just gone off. Elizabeth, ma'am, please, the concluding session. Elizabeth, ma'am, the students.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Riyanshi, please start.
Uh,
Riyanshi,
Riyanshi.
yeah.
Good afternoon, dear friends and teachers. Now, friends, you are welcome to express your thoughts and get your doubts clear. Ma'am, some of us are interested to get some information.
Okay.
Kiara, post your question, please.
Ma'am, how can we become good readers?
Okay. So good readers. Okay. This is a very nice question. Good readers, first of all, it starts from your home only. I'm sure some of you must have newspapers coming to your home. So take a newspaper. In that newspaper, I know it looks very boring, but you can find out whatever interests you in that newspaper. So you can start reading that section every day. So over the time, what will happen is you will start liking that. Slowly you will start reading 2 sections of the newspaper, 3 sections of the newspaper. Then one day will come, then you will be addicted to this newspaper. So the first thing you can do is you can start reading from your newspapers. And plus you can go to libraries. When I was in 4th and 5th standard, I used to go to my school library and I used to find out the story books. Like in my time, I had Nancy Drew's, Hardy Boys, Famous Five. Then I used to read comics also, different kinds of apart from all these books. So whatever interests you, suppose you like other story books, you can choose those story books and you can start reading them today. So it starts with stories. So from library and your home, you can start reading this. Every day read at least 2 to 3 pages before sleeping, or before every day make a plan that you can read 2 to 3 pages. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kiara. Anvi, put forward your question.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, मेरा प्रश्न है कि मैम आपके अनुसार सफलता का अर्थ और पैमाना क्या है?
Oh wow, this is a lovely question, Anvi. So success is which makes you happy. Anything which you wanted to do, you have done it, and that happiness you feel after that. अगर आपको उस काम को करके बहुत खुशी मिल रही है तो आप सक्सेसफुल हो. अगर आपको अगर मान लो आपको लगा कि आपको इस एग्जाम में इतने मार्क्स लाने हैं और वो मार्क्स आपने उसमें पढ़ाई करी और पढ़ाई करके आपके उतने ही मार्क्स आ गए या उसके आगे पीछे आ गए, और उसके उतने मार्क्स आने के बाद आपको जो खुशी हुई कि मैंने अपने लिए एक गोल रखा था कि इस बार मैं 50 में से 40 मार्क्स तो जरूर लेके आऊंगी, एंड सपोज you've got 41 marks or 42 marks, then the happiness that you get after that, yes, I have done it. वो जो फीलिंग आती है ना अंदर से कि हाँ हमने ये सोचा था और हमने ये कर दिया, दैट्स सक्सेस. और जो खुशी होती है, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज सक्सेस एज पर मी.
धन्यवाद मैम.
Anything else?
Thank you, Anvi. Shresh Singh, your question, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My question is, after completion of your engineering, you had joined social services. What inspired you to work for society?
So, you can be a doctor also, and then also you can be a social worker. You can be an engineer, then also you can be a social work is something which we do not, although there are, if educationally, if I tell you, you finish your 10th, then you do your 12th, then you do your graduation, which might be in anything. Mine was in engineering. Yours can be in medical sciences. It can be in humanities. It can be in commercial education. Anything after your graduation, you go out in the market and do something which can fetch you money, which can give you money. So that was already happening, but this social service is not exactly a profession that is always there right from the childhood. As I told you, even at this age you can go and choose to help. So I was doing it right from the school time to college time. Then I thought, as I told you, that somebody asked me what is the success का पैमाना क्या होता है, तो मुझे ये काम करके ज्यादा खुशी मिल रही थी इंजीनियरिंग की वजह से. सो मैंने सोचा कि चलो अब मैं ये वाला काम करके इससे मुझे ज्यादा खुशी मिल रही है, तो मैंने ये वाला काम किया. So with my engineering also I was doing it. Then when I जब मेरे पास बहुत सारा सोशल वर्क का काम हो गया तो फिर मैंने वो इंजीनियरिंग का, उसके लिए टाइम चाहिए था सोशल वर्क के लिए, तो फिर मैंने इंजीनियरिंग वाला काम छोड़ दिया। फिर मैंने सोचा कि मैं फुल टाइम यही काम करती हूँ क्योंकि इसको करने से मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है एंड आई फील मोर सक्सेसफुल देन बीइंग एन इंजीनियर। इसीलिए फिर मैंने अपने बारे में सोचा कि मुझे किस चीज से खुशी मिलती है, और फिर मैंने जो है ना आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एज अ सोशल वर्कर फुल टाइम। आई वाज ऑलवेज वर्किंग लिटिल, आई वाज ऑलवेज ऑन माय संडेज आई वाज गोइंग टू सम स्कूल वेयर द चिल्ड्रन डिड नॉट हैव टीचर, आई यूज्ड टू गो एंड टीच देम। कई बार मैं अपनी ही क्लास के, मैं बचपन से अपनी क्लास में जो सबसे कमजोर बच्चा होता था तो उसको अपने साथ में बिठाती थी, उसको मैथ्स अगर समझ में नहीं आता था तो उसको सिखाती थी, या फिर मुझे बूढ़े लोगों के साथ भी बैठना बहुत पसंद था तो मैं ऐसे ही जाके ऐसे ही उनसे जस्ट एक चैट करती थी। सो यू नो दिस वाज ऑलवेज हैपनिंग। फिर जब मेरा इंजीनियरिंग खत्म हो गया तो मैंने सोचा कि लेट्स डू इट फुल टाइम, इसको पूरा फुल डे हम यही काम करेंगे। फिर धीरे धीरे उसमें मैंने देखा कि उसमें प्रोफेशन भी, उसमें डिग्रीज भी होती हैं, फिर मैंने उसके बारे में थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई भी कर ली, फिर किसी ने मुझे हायर भी कर लिया, किसी ने मुझे उसके लिए पैसे भी देने शुरू कर दिए। दैट वाज वेरी नाइस, अदरवाइज मैं बिना पैसों के भी काम करने वाली थी। So it happens that anybody with any profession you can be a social worker. So अपना जो शौक होता है वो आप शुरू में एज अ हॉबी शुरू करते हो, बाद में वो आपका कभी भी प्रोफेशन भी बन जाता है, just in case you have that grit in you. Okay.
Excuse me,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, does social working give relief to you?
Yes, I feel very happy, you know. On my weekends, I told you, na, I showed you a photograph where free पाठशाला, where these children, laborers के बच्चे जिनके मम्मी पापा घर बनाने के लिए आते हैं लेकिन वो स्कूल नहीं जा पाते क्योंकि आज उन्होंने 6 महीने उन्होंने एक बिल्डिंग बनाई, फिर उनको दूसरी बिल्डिंग बनाने जाना है, तो फिर वो अपने बच्चों को अपने साथ लेके जाते हैं, वो फिर उनको किसी स्कूल में नहीं डाल पाते हैं। तो वो उन बच्चों को मैं क्या करती थी, ऑफिस जाने से पहले 2 घंटा सुबह सुबह उन बच्चों के हम स्कूल में क्लास लेते थे। सुबह 8 बजे से 10 बजे तक मैं क्या करती थी कि वहां जाके उन बच्चों को 1 घंटा पढ़ा के आती थी, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था। फिर उसके बाद मैं 10 o'clock से अपना ऑफिस का काम शुरू कर देती थी। तो यू नो दैट हैप्पीनेस जस्ट वर्किंग फॉर 1 hour a day, 2 hours a day, you know, that made me happy for the entire day. मतलब मैंने सिर्फ 1 ही घंटा उन लोगों के साथ स्पेंड किया है, बट फिर बाकी सारा दिन मुझे उनके साथ, जैसे मैं अभी आप लोगों के साथ बात कर रही हूँ, फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जब मैं ऑफिस का काम करूंगी तो मुझे बहुत खुशी रहेगी, यू नो, आई विल बी स्माइलिंग ऑल द वे. So anything which you love to do makes you happy, you should do it. So yes, I feel very happy.
Riyanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the next, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yokanshi, pose your question.
What inspired you, ma'am, to become an author?
Oh, wow. Okay. Yes. I loved to read Nancy Drews in the childhood. You know, these were the stories about murder mysteries. These were the story which involved thrill, suspense, killings, and these were the kind of stories I loved to read. So I used to wonder, like, how could they write 200-page stories, 100-page story? कैसे लिखते हैं वो लोग? तो फिर then I kept on reading more and more. So this is not one person who inspired me. There are lots of little everybody, like Nancy Drews inspired me. Then the series of Hardy Boys inspired me. Then when I grew up, then I found another author like have you heard about Paulo Coelho? I don't know if you've heard about it. Paulo Coelho, he writes very nice stories. So over the time, my taste kept on changing, and whosoever writing I liked, I felt like मुझे भी ऐसा कुछ लिखना चाहिए. जब मैं उन बुक्स को पढ़ती थी ना, तो मुझे अपने अंदर ऐसी फीलिंग आती थी कि मेरे पास भी एक आइडिया है, एंड आई कैन राइट इट डाउन ऑन अ पेपर, यू नो. जैसे इन्होंने एक आइडिया के ऊपर पूरी किताब बना दी, मैं भी एक किताब बना सकती हूँ. मुझे भी ये स्टोरी लिखनी है. आई वांट कि मेरी जो स्टोरी है ना, ये सब लोग जाके पढ़ें. तो मुझे वो अर्ज जो अंदर से आती थी ना कि मुझे ये स्टोरी सबके साथ शेयर करनी है, दैट वाज माय इंस्पिरेशन.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, Yokanshi. Prachi, now it's your turn.
Prachi,
Yes, ma'am.
your question, please. Priyanshi, you continue with Prachi's question.
Ma'am, her question is, what do you enjoy the most?
What do I enjoy the most?
The question was, sorry, what do you enjoy the most in your free time or in general? Yeah.
Oh, I
Would you
like to
like to
listen
share
to
with us?
music. मुझे songs सुनना, music सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So whenever I am in my home, I keep the music on. वो हमेशा music चलता रहता है. मुझे music सुनना बहुत पसंद है. Old songs, new songs, all kind of songs. I love to hear music.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your kind attention to all queries. This is Riyanshi signing off. Now our HM ma'am will give vote of thanks. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. With permission from our guest speaker and ma'am principal, may I?
Yes,
May
ma'am,
I?
sure.
All right. I have no words. Students, I want you to listen to it very carefully, what I'm going to say. It's supposed to be a valedictory note of thanks to Miss Sonu Rajput, but I want you all to listen. CSKM gave me such a wonderful friend like Miss Sonu Rajput. Her son Athar has been studying with us since, Ma'am Charu, Ma'am Ruchi, Ma'am Renu and all, and they've taught him in the sub-junior. And we had been meeting on PTMs and otherwise, right? So we became such good friends. And you know that today ma'am was working, it was Ma'am Sonu's working day. So to talk to you people, such a beautiful, vibrant, inspiring, I didn't know how these 2 hours have gone. I just don't know. And I wish all of us, could get your attention like this in our classes. And ma'am did not ask when I said, would you like to talk to our children? You're an author, you're a social worker. And you know what she said? What topic do I talk on? Can you imagine? So that is the kind of bond we have. And it's such a precious bond that we truly cherish. And such amazing life skills and study skills. Visualization, gratitude chart or gratitude tree, and all these things, keeping a journal. And the way ma'am taught you in such an interesting way, you do it and you will see how everything changes around you, how you're more productive, more effective, happier. And I think the best thing that everything was wonderful, but the best I liked when she said, I do something for others, when I reach out to my community and society. This is called pro-social behavior. Huh? ये हम सोसाइटी में जब कुछ काम करते हैं तो we are so full of positive energy. She said, I'm so happy when I'm doing my work in office. So I think it's a big, huge thank you and a virtual hug to Miss Sonu Rajput. And what do I say? I want to say so much. And I'm sure that every one of you students, the way you interacted, and there is so, but you have to do everything that's been told.
Deepika,
Please, ma'am. Please, I'm so full.
Wonderful, Sonu.
Yes, ma'am.
Amazing. And I was just, thinking all through that you are such a wonderful educator,
Thank you.
and it is truly, I mean, the way you caught the attention of these children and how they hung to you, it is amazing. So really wonderful to have you. We'll continue with this kind of a thing, whereby, you can come and give your contribution to our school. You've given us some brilliant ideas, which we are going to carry forward definitely. So
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
been a very, very meaningful session. Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much.
I've shared the PPTs with the children, and I'm sure with the teachers, I'm sure we can structure it more. And I think all this things that will come after today's session, we can make a collage kind of thing of all these thank you cards, of all these to-do list, or what I dreamt in the visualization, and we can compile it, we can share it with each other, and I think that will be a great collective feel, that everybody, all of us think in the same way. So we are not different from each other, and how like the things which are less in me and strong in you, we can collaborate together, and it can make a beautiful synergy, I think, in the entire students and teachers. So yes, thank you so much for inviting, and I enjoyed it thoroughly for full 2 hours. I enjoyed it, and will definitely be anytime you feel that I should share my experience with your kids. I think they were very sensible, all of them. They were grown up, they were matured, they knew lots of things. The most important thing is children. When I asked who is a pen pal, and somebody told me, ma'am, I know pen pal, I was so happy. I was like, wow, I have the kids who are so informed. So I would be more than happy to share things with you guys. I know that you can understand what I'm talking, thank you so much, and I wish you all good luck, and someday when I'll come to school, I'll see you all.
Riyanshi.
Now all of you set up for the school song.
Okay.
Miss Sonu, please take a seat. We'll sit up. No need to stand. We'll just sit up.
Okay.
अंदर होगा 11 बजे कॉफी नहीं खानी, बर्गर वगैरह कुछ है तो खिला दो। देखता हूँ देखो सामने जल्दी आना जाना है, तुम जल्दी आना।
The children can sing along. Top of the crest we write, Kiran Memorial Love we have.
से पहले देख लिया
not facility and joyous.
Problems always we shall be. Greatest and worst. Dear complex shall be.
Dear motherland,
Your name forever be remembered in song.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your.
Thank you once again for an absolutely wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for your presence, and thank you, sir. Thank you, both, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, so much.
Thank you. Okay.
Ma'am, you could close the meeting, Ma'am Elizabeth.
Yeah, I can. I will.
Yeah. And all the children who've been here, they get a very good grade and extra weightage.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.